Welcome back to Life Changing Wealth. You know who it is. Your boy, Jason Biondo here. I post videos every day about investing in the stock market, cryptocurrency, real estate, and other forms of investments. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Let's jump into it. Today, we are going to talk about Shiba Inu. Yeah, Shiba Inu. I know. Wow, there is so much to talk about. Shiba is going crazy. It's kind of taken the world by storm right now, going up in market cap what appears to be almost every single day. But is Shiba ready to have a dogfight? That's the question, because, I know it's on the cusp of overtaking Dogecoin. At some points today, depending on the exchange, it already overtook Dogecoin. Very, very interesting. I absolutely hate this coin. I despise sort of what Shiba Inu is about. And the reason why I say that, and we'll get into this throughout the video, but I don't believe in the project. Maybe some of you do. This is essentially a video that maybe some of you will not want to hear, but I'm going to say it anyway. So Shiba Inu, when it was created, it was basically created with 1 quadrillion tokens. Yeah. Essentially the largest amount of tokens ever, larger than any other cryptocurrency. And it was kind of a smart approach, really, because what it did was it lets everybody own a million tokens or more. And quite frankly, when you see the cheap buys, especially when you compare it to things like Bitcoin in the $60,000 range, and other currencies, Ethereum at 4,000, you're like, oh, I can get a million Shiba token for like 10 cents or something, right? Whatever the price is, but that's it. Just makes it very attractive for retail investors. Yes, retail investors is what it makes it attractive to. I don't think it makes it attractive at all for institutional investors. And so, why do I say that? Well, usually with institutional investing, you're investing for a very long period of time. You're not investing for a week, a month, even a year. Usually, when you're investing, you plan on investing for well over a year, if not 10 years, if you're an institutional investor, if you're pension funds, even businesses, right? So let that sort of sink in right now. So what we're seeing is a lot of retail FOMO, okay? But let's go to the charts. All right, guys. So first, I just want to talk about sort of the Shiba USD valuation. We can see a massive rise really kicking off on October 23rd. Big jump up, and it's been ripping since then. And it's just working its way up. And it just had a fairly sizable pullback. With that in mind, though, because I think this is a retail play, I think this is going to die. I think this is going to die out just like Dogecoin died out. Now, Dogecoin's got a ton of money in there. You do have billionaire investors that own most of Dogecoin, okay? And you did have pumps up from retail investors mostly. And I think the same is going to happen with Shiba. When you compare it to things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, institutional investors aren't going to buy Shiba. It doesn't have the legs to stand on that these other projects that have been around for far longer with actual use cases and applications. Now I know what you're gonna say. I know you're gonna say, but Jay, you can mint NFTs on Shiba. Yeah, you can. Um, but Jay, the tokens are being burned and the supply is being reduced, and therefore there's going to be increased demand for the token. I think that's true too, and that might actually be the only thing I think it really has to stand on. But when you when you compare it to legitimate projects, I just don't see this holding up. I think it could do very well for this cycle. I think that you can make money in Shiba. I think you can make a lot of money in Shiba. Um, I don't know that it's a project I'm going to choose to jump into, but you can make money in Shiba. But the thing is, do you want to gamble or do you want to invest? So that's really like two different mindsets. And the reason why I say gamble, usually when you make investments, you want to look at things like historical data. What is sort of the fundamentals of the project, meaning what's the quality of the company that's behind it? What's the quality of the project? I don't see that with Shiba. I don't see that at all. I think this could be continue to pump up, but there's no fundamentals really. Even if you can mint NFTs on it, there are other projects you can mint NFTs on that aren't as high as Shiba right now. So I don't know. I'm not seeing it, guys. But with that said, I know you can make money at it. I won't discount that. But okay, so that's sort of some of the quick thought process on this. Other things here. What I did want to show is sort of the growth in the market cap in addition to just the USD valuation. We can see here we're up at 29, almost $30 billion. Okay, $30 billion. Yeah, it's totally nuts. It's totally nuts. If you were to ask me if I thought Shiba was going to be at 30 billion a month ago, I would have said you're out of your mind. So that's my quick thoughts on that. Let's take a look at some other interesting things that are going on with Shiba. So Shiba hits a new record, right? Robinhood is there's a big petition going around on change.org right now to get Shiba into Robinhood, because Doge is in Robinhood, and the thinking is, oh well, if Shiba goes in Robinhood, then everybody's going to invest. I'd say, yeah, you're probably right. There probably will be a massive jump through Robinhood, because that is how a lot of retail investors buy their investments. How high can it really go, though? Without institutional money? I don't think so. I think it can go pretty high, but I don't think it can go as high as some of you think. It's not going to a penny. I don't think that's going to happen, at least not anytime soon. I'd be stunned. But regardless, there is a petition going around, and if it does go on Robinhood, boy, there probably will be a big price increase. So some things just to keep in mind, right? Right now, Shiba's up 60 million% over the past year. Boy, I wish I wish I owned a little bit real early on. Jeez, and held it if I was crazy enough to hold it. Yeah, it's totally nuts. Totally nuts, guys. Yeah, I don't even really know what to say about Shiba anymore. Shiba is making my mind explode. I will say this: right now, it's been a great hedge against Bitcoin. It's Shiba's been an excellent hedge against Bitcoin during this sort of teetering time where Bitcoin's really trying to find out when it's going to pump back up again. That's what I wanted to share as far as my thoughts on Shiba. I think it's bullshit. I don't believe in the project at all. That's just my opinion. And until I'm proven otherwise, right? I mean, if somebody can sort of give me some real hard evidence, I'm open to it. I would even do another video if somebody could prove me wrong. That'd be fantastic. I hope someone does. But I will say, just a reminder, you can make money with Shiba. How much? I don't know. When will it correct? I don't know. It's not a gamble I'm willing to take, not with the big rise that it's seen so far. Unless I get more confirmation that it goes on Robinhood, I might change my thoughts on that. Don't forget to check out all my other videos about different investment content just like this. Hit the subscribe button below. Smash a like if you enjoyed the content. Also comment down below. What do you think about Shiba? Are you invested in Shiba? Do you think it's going to double, 2x, 3x, 4x? How high do you think it's going to go? I want to hear from you in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.